Okay, so hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is journal energy check-in for all the Pisces for the rest of the month of October 2025. This is not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Pisces, let's see what we have. The overall energy for Pisces people for the rest of the month of October 2025 is, let's see what we have. We have the Page of Cups, the Moon card, bottom of, oh, sorry, the Five of Wands. Why is it like every third card I'm reading is the bottom of the deck today? And the bottom of deck is a Nine of Swords. So the energy that's present there, you might not be very aware of it, is something is stressing the hell out of you. There's something that's keeping you up at night, and you might not be able to understand what that something is. It's kind of hidden. It's like a mix of so many things together, and it's creating a very stressful energy. It's like right now I'm not able to figure it out exactly what it is because it's in the hidden energies, but you can sense it, you can feel it, that something is bothering you, something is kind of making you feel in a certain way, anxious, a little bit anxious, energies are heavy. Okay, on a conscious level we have the Page of Cups, the Moon, and the Five of Wands. So you are trying to keep your energies open, you are trying to keep your energies hopeful and positive, you are trying your best to not to get emotionally overwhelmed, but there is a lot of stressful energies around a situation that you're not able to understand. There's some kind of conflict going on and you're very worried about it, like I don't know what is going to happen next, I don't know why this conflict is happening, I don't know what energies are surrounding me that I am feeling this much heavy. You're trying to remain as much positive and optimistic in a situation, but there's a lot of conflict going on and it's mostly hidden. The energies are not properly expressed, they're not properly visible, and that's why you guys are not able to figure it out. The moon creates a lot of illusions. You guys might be creating scenarios and stories in your mind, and you guys might not be able to understand why the actual heck you are feeling like this. For some of you, it's like a cold war going on between you and somebody else, and you guys are not able to sort it out. You guys are not able to let it go, but you're trying to keep an optimistic mind, open energies, and it's overwhelming. Okay, cool. Overwhelming energies. Let's see in the recent past what was happening. The moon, yeah, it's like something hidden is bothering you, something that's not very visible or clear to you. It's deep inside in your subconscious, some kind of illusion, fear, confusions, insecurities, and it was kind of making you go crazy. Let's see currently what's happening, Pisces. Tower, something is crumbling apart, something is falling apart, some kind of rude awakening is happening here. Everything is changing, very fastly for you guys. Okay, let me see by the end of this month what we have, Pisces. It's like cards are falling for you. We have the Death in reverse. So something is going down, but something is going down, but you might not be releasing it. You might not be ready to let it go down. What is happening here? Let me clarify the moon in the recent past for you guys. We have the Five of Wands, the Knight of Swords, and the Queen of Cups. You were trying to avoid a conflict at any cost. You are like, I'm not going to be part of a drama, I'm not going to be part of a conflict or of a issue or of a, like a part of a group of people who are just creating drama and chaos. You were trying to keep your calm and do your own thing and be at peace with yourself. You were trying, but you were not at peace. So you were trying to avoid drama at any cost in the past. Okay, currently we have the tower. Let's clarify this. Let's clarify the tower. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Two of Cups, and the Ten of Swords. Something is ending here. Something is falling apart. A connection, a relationship, a bond, a friendship kind of a deal. For some of you, it's related to your job or career that you used to feel as a very stable kind of a thing, but and you guys were in love with your job or career, or something was really, really stable, and it's now going down. It's falling apart. It's crumbling. A situation that you were very attached to and that you took as a little bit for granted, maybe, or you took this situation as something that's going to be there for the rest of your life, or you had big plans, is going down suddenly out of the blue. It's ending and it's shocking you, it's surprising you, big, big, big time. It's giving me headache. Okay. Wow. What's happening, Pisces? So you were trying to avoid drama at any cost in the past. You were running away and you were trying your best to keep the peace as much as you could. You were trying to hold on to this energy of no, 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 I don't want to create drama, I don't want to create issues here. I have to be mature, I have to be compassionate. And currently, no matter how hard you tried, it's falling apart. It's crumbling into pieces. For most of you, it's related to your stability, money, job, career, finances. For others of you, it could be related to your marriage or commitment or a relationship or bond that is very, very important for you, or was. That you took. Again, I think you took something or someone for granted here, or they did. And now it's falling apart because it's no longer, the roots are very, very weak. Let's clarify the death in reverse for you guys, Pisces. The Temperance, the Seven of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups. Okay, right now it's crumbling apart, but there are not very high chances actually. There are chances that with patience, with healing, you guys will be able to bring something back to life. So it's not going down completely. Right now, it seems like it's not there anymore. It's done, it's gone. By the end of this month, you guys will be able to somehow revive this situation back to life. It's like, but it is never going to be the same again, Pisces. Even if you guys will be able to somehow manage to bring something back to life, this is not going to be the same again ever. This has shifted on a core level, on a base level, and it's totally different from this point onwards. And it's not never going to be the same again because it's too much damage already done. Okay. So by the end of this month, Pisces, you guys will be able to, like, with the patience, with not losing your temper, with your healing energies, and your energies will start showing results in a positive way, and something will start coming back to life very slowly and gently, but it is not going to feel the same ever again. That's the thing here. I'm not saying it's going to be bad or good or anything. It's going to be different, totally different from what it used to be in the past or what it is right now. So it's totally different energy. And I don't know why am I feeling like my palms are all sweaty right now. I feel the readings very deeply these days for some reason. I never used to feel like this. Anyways, honey, let's see the guidance for you guys, Pisces, for the rest of the month of October 2025 for the situation. It's like falling apart and coming back, but not the same ever again. Devil, not a healthy energy. So if this is a game that you guys are playing from a very long time, Pisces, even if it is just your personal energy towards something or yourself or with someone, even if it is yours only or somebody else is also involved, this is unhealthy. This is toxic. And this is unhealthy and toxic on so many levels, and you know it. And if this game is like you guys are playing this game again and again and again and you're failing, this is time for you guys to understand and realize that either the players are not good enough or this game is not good for you guys. You guys have to stop this game. You guys have to heal properly. If it is in an it's if it's an individual thing, you guys have to heal yourself properly to maintain this tower energy that keeps on falling apart, the situation, that thing. You guys have to hold on to that energy of creating a space for this energy to be there for you. If this is about something else or someone else involved in this one, you guys are playing a very unhealthy game and both of you know it, and still you guys are playing it because you think by bringing this situation back to life again and again and again everything is going to change. For sure the feelings are dying, the love is dying, the energies are going down, until unless you guys are going to individually heal yourself and then come together as a healed energy. This situation is going to be a repetitive pattern that will not end anytime soon if you guys are not going to consciously end it. Okay, this is heavy, and I hope you guys will get the proper message out of this instead of hating me or getting frustrated or angry. You guys see through the truth of the situation. I don't care, I don't give a damn if you hate me or love me. I'm here, I'm just a medium to give you the messages, and I'm doing that. That's my job. But you guys have to stop this unhealthy game. Toxic. This is not good, and it is never going to be good until you guys are going to change the core values of the situation. Okay, so yeah, okay, let me answer one of your questions related to any area of your life. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Same question 3 times. Okay, keep it short, simple, and precise, and I'm going to give you the answer in the next 20 seconds, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is, honey, no. It's a big no, whatever the answer was, question was, sorry. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.